Birdhouse shape cut. Got my base I cut off of here. Now we're going to hollow out the inside of this. This is going to be for smaller birds, so I'm using this 4-inch hole saw. If you're working with dry wood, you could just take a screwdriver, stick it in this hole, and this is going to pry right out. But since this is fresher wood, that's not going to work. I'm also going to be using a flathead. I'm hoping that if I jam it in here, I could pop it out. It's highly unlikely though, since it is wet. So I might take some smaller hole saws and kind of score it in here into smaller pieces, and that's going to allow me to break them off easily. Alright, let's see if we can use these screwdrivers and try to crack some of this wood out of here. So here we are right now. Got about an inch into this thing. A lot of work. Like I said, if this was dry wood, this wood would just crack right off and you'd fly through this. With this fresh wood, it's going to take me a lot longer to get this project done. But what I'm going to do is the same thing, hole saw, drill a little bit further down, use the other hole saws, keep going through here, chipping away at it until I get this thing to the depth I want it at. I had enough trying to chip out this wet wood, so I'm bringing out the big guns. Work smarter, not harder. This way has been working out a little better. I'm just using various hole saws, different tools, and pretty much just turning the inside of this into sawdust and working my way down. We're getting there. It's taking a while. All right, finally got this hollowed out. Nice and deep. Ready to put the entrance hole in here now. Before I put the base back on this, I need to put something here to hang this birdhouse, and it's kind of uneven. It's probably heavier in the front than in the back. So I'm taking the screwdriver again. I'm going to keep moving it around and try to find a balance point to where the bottom's flat, kind of like this. And that puts me about right here where I want to drill my hole, put my string through here to hang this birdhouse. Now we're ready to throw the base piece back on. And take this, line it up so it matches up with the cut. Then I'm going to take this really thin bit to get some pilot holes going in here, because we don't want this wood to split. This piece is a little bit thinner, and without these pilot holes, it's possible we're going to split this. And after I get one hole done, I like to drive a screw in there because it helps to hold this in place. All right, all set.